Hi guys, Diego here with Create. Today we're gonna do some yummy food. We're gonna be doing a grill, mojo, glazed chicken, some beautiful garbanzo beans with serrano pepper, butter, and we are going to finish it with a beautiful coleslaw. But first, got my kiddos over here and they wanna say hi. We got my big Luisa. Hello. And Noel. And Mr. G over there. Okay. Guys, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. And now we're gonna stop it for a minute. So guys, check this out. Come closer. We're gonna make our mojo marinade. We got some oranges, some lemon, some lime. Okay, and that's gonna be the main ingredients: oregano, cumin, coriander, and some garlic. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna be doing the garlic really fast. We're gonna chop that garlic. Have your compost container around. We don't wanna miss any of this good stuff for it. Okay. And try to keep it nice and neat. You got your trash there. Gonna do a nice rough chop on it. And we're gonna go right to this container. And we got some garlic right now. Orange. Let me show you a trick to make it easier in your hand. You're gonna cut it right next to the center. One more time. See that? Two halves. All this part we're gonna cut it off. We're gonna cut right there, and we're gonna cut right there. You can see that? That's beautiful. Super easy. Look how easy it is to squeeze. Usually for mojo in Cuba, also Florida, they use sour oranges. They're very common down there. They have better flavor for this marinade, but oranges work fine too. Then we have some limes, some lemons that we're gonna do exactly the same. Okay. Okay, and in here we're gonna cut it right next to the center. See that? One more time. Look how easy it makes it. And the mojo is gonna have all these ingredients together. The lemon, the orange. Now we're gonna do a little coriander, a little cumin, a little oregano, some black pepper, okay, some olive oil, perfect, and don't forget your sea salt, very important right there. And now with a spoon we're gonna mix all that together, and this is gonna be our glaze for our chicken. In a minute we're gonna start grilling that to perfection. What you need to make sure that you are ready for is a hot grill, nice and hot. Right now I got a 350. That's a good start for chicken because the flame a lot, so that is gonna keep the flaming down, and we're gonna avoid a fire. Okay, Anna, she's in the other side of the camera. My wife Anna, beautiful Anna, she's helping. We have a hot pan for our next dish, but in the meantime we're gonna start with our chicken, and for that we got some beautiful chicken thighs that we are going to olive oil. Okay, we're gonna get some of that nice sea salt all over, some coriander, some cumin, and that's gonna be Luisa, can I have your help? You pass me one of the tongs, please. And we're gonna start grilling in a nice, clean, preheated grill. Okay. And now that we have all those flavors marinated, we're gonna use it to start putting our chicken down just like so, getting the flavors all over. Okay. And there we go. Okay, that's all our chickens that we have for this. We're gonna close the lid. Remember to use it as an oven. 350 to 450 will be perfect temperature, okay? So that's our first step right there. We will check on the chickens because we're gonna be glazing it with our mojo. We're gonna grill one side around 4 minutes, flip, glaze 4 minutes, flip 2 minutes, and repeat the process to get a nice caramelization on it. Yeah, caramelization, that's right. Okay, so now come this way, and we're gonna play with our garbanzo beans. In here, I got some garbanzos that I've been letting air dry for 1 day. You remember that saute pan down here? We're gonna add a little oil to it. And Anna, you wanna come this way and show it, if you can see it? And we are going to add those to our hot pan. And we're gonna try to get some nice color on it, okay? In the meantime, the garbanzos are going, the chicken is going, right? Now, we are going to play with our cabbage slaw. For that, we got a couple of simple items: cabbage, onion, bell pepper, and cilantro. And we are going to cut that in 2 seconds, put it all together. But for that vinaigrette, we are going to do, for a vinaigrette for this, we're gonna get a lemon and we're gonna grill it. That's gonna, one more time, caramelize it and get some of that nice sweetness out of the lemons or natural sugars, okay? Then we're gonna make a quick vinaigrette for that slaw. Thank you.
You guys been having fun watching Daddy cook?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing so far?
We got the tongs for Daddy. Watching the video.
Yeah? What was your favorite thing, Gia?
The dinosaurs.
All right, guys, so check this out. One more time, our cabbage. We're gonna start with our cabbage, onion, some bell pepper, and I'm gonna show you a cool way of cleaning it, and of course some fresh cilantro. It's always good to have cilantro around. So very simple, a knife. Right now I have this nice global, and we're gonna thinly slice our cabbage to make a nice slaw. There's no right way to do this or wrong way to do this. Just cut it around. It's gonna strip around. It's gonna be nice and beautiful, just like so. Look at that. That simple, right in your bowl. Okay, look at that. Simple cabbage. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough for what we needed. Now, bell pepper. Let me show you a cool way of cleaning the bell pepper. I love to show this on school. I think it's cool. So we're gonna cut the bottom. We're gonna cut the top. Good pepper, please use it. Now we're gonna make an incision, start cutting and rolling it open. Look at this, how nice that looks. Check this out. Look at that. And now it's clean. This of course is good, no seeds in your table. And the best part is makes it really easy to use, like nice flat pieces of pepper. Now we're gonna slice it. And as you can see, I go from top to bottom, one single cut, and that makes sure that it's separated for us, or coleslaw, or slaw. Okay, one more time. Gonna be doing that. After that, we're gonna move to all white onion or red onion will be nice. Shallots, they could be a little too strong for it, so I don't recommend that. But definitely white or red onion will be fantastic for it. And if you don't like onion, hey, it's all good. You don't need it. Onion, easiest way to slice it. Always make it flat, cut in the top. Nice and flat, we're gonna slice in half, like so. That's the piece that we're gonna be utilizing. Easiest way to peel, we're gonna go like this. To the second, third layer, have a quick peel, like that. Look at that. Well, almost. There we go. It was helping me out. There we go. Now we're gonna cut our root out and that piece, and now thinly slice. Okay. You can hear my knife is super sharp, so that's a good thing to have. Okay. And now that onions are gonna go in our slaw. Before we hit the cilantro, guys, come this way to the grill. Let me show you that chicken. I think that chicken is ready to be flipped. It's gonna have a beautiful color. And what we're trying to do is have a one flip. We're gonna get more color in a minute. Okay. Right now we're gonna be flipping this. Nice and easy. We're gonna glaze, but we're gonna look at the color on our beans. You see that the golden brown? That's what I want. That's what we want in our beautiful garbanzo beans. Okay. Now that we have our mojo glaze, we're gonna have a quick stir on it, and we're gonna start glazing on our chickens. Okay, look at that, very nicely. Simple glaze. You can use a spoon if you need to. You can pour on it. A brush works well too. And this is gonna give you that beautiful, amazing flavor. Okay, gonna close our lid, and we're gonna finish our slaw, and then we're gonna put together the garbanzo beans, and we're done. And we're gonna plate. So come this way, and I'll show you the last steps. Okay. Our last steps for this is gonna be to just rough chop some cilantro on it. Okay. There you go. Look at that. And if you guys are able to smell this chicken now with a glaze, it's pretty amazing. You smell the garlic, the citrus. Okay. And the other thing we have here ready is gonna be our lemon, or grilled lemon. We can go a little harder on it if you like, but this is gonna work just fantastic. It's so soft to cut. And now I'm gonna squeeze it in my hand to catch any seeds. And we're gonna do some lemon juice. If you have lime juice, please, it works well. I don't have any, so that's why we use lemon. Okay, but it works fantastically. A little more, look at that. All the seeds we don't want to hear. Some beautiful toasted coriander. Some beautiful sea salt. Some cracked black pepper. Okay, thank you. And we're gonna mix it all together. Look at that. And we have, now it's getting where we want it. Now the only thing we're gonna be missing is a beautiful extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, right? And now this is gonna go for the bottom of our dish. Our chicken is gonna be ready. And the last thing that I'm missing right now to show you, super simple. Let me show you right here. We got, remember the serrano pepper and the garlic? It's right here, chopped. Got some butter right here. Gonna add some butter. And that's like a lot, so we add that. I got a spoon, and we're gonna break this butter with the garlic and the serrano pepper, right? We're gonna do a touch of pepper, a touch of salt, and we are going to finish it with some honey. And that is gonna go in our chickpeas, in our garbanzos in a minute from now. See that? I got all that beautiful butter. Got some nice local honey. And it's coming. It's a good thing. There, oh, they blew up on me. There you go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a crazy lid. All right, there we go. And we got,
Is that a crazy lid?
and we're mixing the butter with the honey, the pepper, the garlic. And the only thing it's gonna be needing is a little salt. Okay? And a little black pepper. All right, perfect. So, check this out, chicken. We're gonna flip it now to start caramelizing the other side, and I'm gonna crank the heat. That way we get a little more color. Okay. We're gonna glaze the other side of our chickens with a beautiful mojo. And remember, guys, the lime actually it is important, makes a good flavor. It's important traditional flavor for the mojo. So if you have some, please use it. Okay. There we go. And now, in our garbanzo beans, we made a beautiful garlic, serrano pepper, butter. We're gonna add some of that right now in there and make it happy. Okay. Got this spoon, and we're gonna mix it all together. Let the butter melt and caramelize those. We are going to finish this with some cilantro, so we're gonna go back in 2 minutes for it, and then we're gonna plate it all together. Cool, thank you. Put those dishes together, come this way, let me show you the chicken. I'm gonna do my last glaze of the mojo on the chicken. Okay. So we got a beautiful chicken with a sauce, right? Perfect. Okay. Noel, can you bring me the kitchen towel? So I'm gonna burn myself. So for our garbanzos, we got garbanzos, the butter, some fresh cilantro to finish it right now, and that should be plenty. And a couple of cracks of pepper. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. And now what we are going to do, guys, we're gonna start plating. So we got our beautiful coleslaw and beans that we're bringing together with me. So first we're gonna do this. Thank you. We're gonna do some of the slaw for the bottom of our tray. See that? Nice and simple. Got our container for, and that is gonna go with our garbanzo beans that I'm gonna bring right now. First, we're gonna make sure we toast the cilantro on it. That way they actually get some flavor on it. They're nice and crispy and beautiful with a green color. Look at that. And now, I'm gonna bring you the chicken. Remember, this is all for family meals, okay? Beautiful dinner. Just like that. Some of the extra juice. We are going to finish it with some cilantro and some salt. Some sea salt, so look at that. Some cilantro, some beautiful sea salt. And guys, I mean, the flavor is gonna be amazing. And the best part is enjoying it with the family. So thanks for stopping by. Love you, miss you, and we see you soon.